Skin home remedies. Skin fungus is a highly contagious infection which can be transmitted to another person on contact. It is very important to treat the infected area as it may spread on the entire body and cause other complications. There are various types of skin infections such as athlete's foot, ringworm, jock itch, and many more. The general symptoms of these skin infections include itching, rashes, redness, skin shedding and sometimes bleeding. Sometimes fungus is easily visible, but most of the times, the fungus is present in the first layer of the skin. Skin infections are common in the feet area and its main cause is moistness. Due to sweat, germs and bacteria are accumulated on the skin. Sweat is usually accumulated because of shoes worn for long period of time. On a usual basis, the healing process for skin fungus take about 2 weeks after the treatment has started. If the skin shows no improvement, it is highly recommended to consult a dermatologist as it might be a serious problem. Home remedies are the best methods of treating skin fungus. Best methods and remedies. First and foremost, wash your skin with an antiseptic soap before starting the treatment. This will eliminate the dirt and germs that are accumulated on it. After cleansing the skin, dry it with either a dry cloth or a hair dryer. It is very important to keep the skin clean and dry at all times so that the fungus does not spread. This treatment should be conducted every time you remove your footwear, as feet are the main breeding ground for skin fungus. This is considered to be the first step to skin fungus home remedies. Another skin fungus home remedy would be to get rid of the dead skin as soon as you see it. Dead skin is also another reason for the spread of fungus. In case of ringworm, apply apple cider vinegar on a cotton ball and gently massage on the infected area. Practice this method 3 to 4 times in a day and you will see the ringworm reducing in a week. Another skin fungus remedy is to use a small amount of nail polish on the infected area. The nail polish will dry the area immediately and healing will be much faster. These are some of the best known skin fungus remedies. Precautions and prevention. Apart from the remedies, there are a few precautions you need to keep in mind so that the skin fungus does not appear again. It is highly advisable to remove your footwear whenever you get a chance. Because of sweat, the feet remain moist, which becomes a breeding ground for fungi. Apply baby powder before putting on your socks and shoes. Dry the feet immediately after washing it properly with soap. Use an antiperspirant to keep your feet dry at all times. It is also recommended not to use the same footwear 2 days in a row. Use alternate pairs so that the previous pair has enough time to dry itself. Skin fungus treatment should be started as soon as possible in order to avoid severe problems. Skin fungus is a very common condition, but unfortunately, it is very hard to recognize. There are many skin fungus remedies that can help treat skin fungus. However, the biggest hurdle to treatment is the fact that the condition is very hard to diagnose. Unlike bacterial infections and allergies, skin fungus does not leave a lot of telltale signs. For instance, skin fungus does not cause blisters and boils. Instead, it can cause slight discoloration of the skin or small itchy rashes, which may go completely unnoticed. Fortunately, even though fungal infections cannot be so easily diagnosed, they can be treated using a broad-spectrum antifungal medication. There are several types of skin fungus, based on which the symptoms can appear. Symptoms are usually different for different fungal infections, but the treatment for all is usually the same. Skin fungus that causes white spots on the face, for instance, could be caused by a fungal infection known as tinea versicolor. Athlete's foot and jock itch are some of the other types of skin fungus infections that can cause discomfort. Athlete's foot is a very common condition and one that affects 75% of the world population at some point in their lives. This fungal infection occurs between the toes, causing rashes and itching in the skin between them. This condition is usually seen on the skin between the third, fourth, and the fifth toes. Sometimes, the infection may even spread further, causing the heels of the feet to have itchy rashes. The skin between the toes often becomes white and moist due to this condition. The skin may also rub off rather easily. Jock itch is another kind of skin fungal infection in which the fungus begins to grow in the groin area. This fungal infection is usually caused when the skin remains damp due to sweat. Tight-fitting clothes, which cut off the air supply to the skin, may aggravate the condition. This fungal infection may not have skin fungus white spots, which are characteristic of tinea versicolor. Ringworm is another skin fungal infection. Fortunately, this kind of skin infection is very easy to identify and can be immediately recognized due to the round rash that it forms on the skin. The name ringworm is actually a misnomer, and many people think that the ring-shaped rash is caused due to a worm, when it is actually due to a fungal strain. Skin fungus treatment is usually the same no matter which type of fungus you are dealing with. A skin fungus rash may be treated only after a few days of medication. The doctor may give you a medicated cream or ointment to use on the affected area. The same medication may be used for other skin fungus symptoms as well. You can also use Selsun Blue for skin fungus along with other remedies. However, the best skin fungus home remedy is to keep the skin clean and dry so that the fungus does not spread to other parts of the skin. How to get rid of skin fungus? If you are wondering how to cure skin fungus, the answer is rather simple. Skin fungus is the easiest of all ailments to cure. Before you start any treatment or skin fungus remedies, you must ensure that your skin is clean and dry. There may be dirt and germs accumulated on your skin that should be eliminated by washing thoroughly first. The fungus will not spread if you have cleansed the skin thoroughly. For feet, toes, and the groin region, it is important to wash thoroughly and keep the skin dry. A lot of people want to know how to get rid of skin fungus fast. However, like all other treatments, the treatment of skin fungus also takes its time, though the prognosis is usually very good in all cases. Exfoliating regularly and allowing dead skin to slough off can help contain the spread of fungus. For skin fungus white spots, treatment can be performed using apple cider vinegar. In case you have ringworm, simply apply some apple cider vinegar on the affected skin and allow it to heal. You can use a ball of cotton to gently massage the apple cider vinegar into the skin. This method can be practiced several times a day, and you can see favorable results in a matter of a week. Skin fungus on the back or on the feet can also be cured using this method. Skin fungus white spots treatment can also be done using the same method. The white spots on the face or other parts of the body are caused by a condition known as tinea versicolor. In tinea versicolor, the fungus causes the melanocytes of the skin to stop producing melanin. This condition can be very difficult to manage, if not treated right away. For skin fungus cure in this condition, antifungal ointments or a tea tree oil ointment can help. Tea tree oil, which is known to be one of the most effective solutions for fungal infections, can be effectively used mixed with some carrier oil. Skin fungus on the back may be due to sweaty clothes. Maintaining good hygiene and wearing loose-fitting cotton clothes, which allow air to pass through, can really help prevent any skin fungus conditions. Hydrogen peroxide is also considered a good treatment for fungal infections. Soak yourself twice a day in a solution of water and hydrogen peroxide. The peroxide solution kills off the fungal strains. Your skin may be sensitive to peroxide at first. Therefore, it is best to use a very dilute solution of peroxide when you first use it. If you can't find hydrogen peroxide, you can also use facial or skin bleach to kill off the microbes. If your skin gets irritated to bleach, try an herbal bleach formulation on the sensitive skin. You can also use essential oils such as garlic oil, tea tree oil, and oregano essential oil to kill off the fungus that is growing on your skin. However, do get the instructions to use these oils from a certified aromatherapist before you begin using them. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and videos. Stay tuned.